Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off double tap on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch settings on your iPhone device. Here we go. Now once you are here, scroll down below and simply tap on the option of accessibility. Now over here, simply select the option of touch that you see here. Now once you come here, simply scroll down below to the bottom and then tap on the option of back tap. Now simply go to the option of double tap on top. Now once you come here, in my case, you can see that the double tap option has been selected for screenshot, which means that if I double tap on the back of my screen, the screenshot has been taken. If you have selected any of these options for your back tap feature and you want to turn it off, what you can do is simply tap on the option of none at the top of your screen. After you do this and go back, you can see that the double tap option says none, which means that your double tap option on iPhone has been turned off. Now, if you double tap on the back of your iPhone, this feature won't be working as you have turned it off. So, this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.